Okay, so in this video we're going to solve this problem using a maneuvering board. And down on the bottom, I'm going to put a couple links to a couple different ways of solving this using different methods, including law signs and also a sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So anyway, so you're steering 180 at 15 knots. You see a light 40 degrees off the port bow at 8 nautical miles. You wish to pass at 3 nautical miles abeam to port. What should you steer? Okay, so here's our maneuvering board. Remember, whenever we measure angles on a maneuvering board, we have to be referencing from the center of the maneuvering board, okay? So 180, I'm going to start a line from here, and here's my 360 degrees on the outside. Anyway, so here we go. Let's put that in there. So there's 180, and then we have a light 40 degrees off our port bow. Well, so I can just count here. So that's port, if we're driving down here, that's our port side. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's at 140, and I'm at 8 nautical miles. So I'm going to use the 1-to-1 scale on this maneuvering board here. I'm just going to say that this is 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, 4 miles, 5 miles, 6 miles, 7 miles, 8 miles. So I place the light 40 degrees off my port bow at 8 miles. Okay. Now, so I've plotted the blue information, I've plotted the red information. Now, you wish to pass a beam 3 nautical miles to port. So what I'll do is I'll take my dividers and I'll measure 3 nautical miles, from the center out to the this ring here. And then I'm going to transfer that down for the center of that radius to be right there. So that's going to slide down like that. Now I've got my 3 nautical mile CPA. Okay. And now I want to pass it on my port bow. So if I'm going to pass it on my port bow, if I go over to this side, that's going to be on my starboard bow. I got to be on this side for it to be on my port bow. So this is going to be my course, and there it is right there, and the problem is already solved. You're going to steer 163. And the problem is done. 163, that's it.